People, hey, you watching Blue Bike and Doors channel. Run an intro and we'll get on the road and see what the plan is. The plan is we don't have a plan. Yes, it is. I got a little one. So run an intro. We'll see you down the road. Oh, Lordy. Whew, shoot. How you mama now? It's been a long week. I slept good this morning. We slept almost 8 o'clock. Past 8 o'clock. A good night's sleep. It's dark, quiet. Very, very quiet here. Very, very, very quiet. Except for now. We got the hogs. Whew. Question is, will this thing open with us? Are we locked in? Stupid ass gate. Well, that's gonna be an adventure every morning. Well, at least you ain't got to do it but twice. Look. Oh man. Hey, you recording? How your mama now? Time to temperature check is 8:52. 56.3 degrees. Supposed to warm up to like 85. It's hotter on this side in Tennessee than I guess the elevation. Maybe what is the elevation? 881 feet. Now we just at the bottom of the Harley Skyway, so yeah. And let's see, it was 53 points. Yeah. Very, very quiet place we're staying at. Very quiet, very peaceful. Just remember, you can't get out the gate unless you go there and punch the code in. I don't know what's the name of this place, but must be a good place. Hit the jail. Hell, it's unlocked. I could have went in there. It was all from Miami, I guess, Florida. Hey, gonna work, and I must have got everything fixed back right. I don't know what I did. I think I did, but I do. I do. How you mama now? Excuse me. Breakfast, a Mexican breakfast place. Next cabin, you got a little parking area. Bunch of them up there in that cabin. Alright then, I'm gonna stop right down here at this place and look, do some picture taking. Where's it at? Right down here. This roadside attraction, world's largest you know what I mean. I don't know if you pull in there or not. I wonder if I could do something like that. You got the flying eyeball, like angel with a pumpkin head. Another one of them. 3DC. Old hippie retreat. Well, you know how he stands. Come in here and sit with a hippie stand. Yeah. You gotta sit here and wave at people. Have a tall glass of rain, beware of dogs. Tellico Jail. I'm not walking up these trails. You got the spy. Clown booning people. Beware of dog. No parking private property. Tellico Jail. Tellico. They don't want to climb up in a chair. Other way it makes better. So I think it's Brushy Falls or something like that. We went there years and years ago. Funny thing, we was just over here. Well, Wednesday. Guess I was talking when I wasn't. Oh, okay. Here's a prime example when you come during the week, because we go up here Wednesday and we didn't have any traffic. But on the weekend you got the old tourists and that wants to come out and look at the nature, and they want to go 20 miles an hour in case they want to miss something. Oh look, a fish just jumped. Well, look at that color of that leaf. That leaf was very, very pretty. Oh, there might be somebody here. I want to see who it is. He might be going fishing. Bald River Falls. And son of a biscuit. They gonna look at the falls too, dang it. No, well, at least they are a little faster down, but we'll see. It ain't this is not this bridge either. The last bridge where you get out here. Is where the waterfalls at. I don't remember this road being this long, but it is. The thing about it, why I'm going slower is because these cars come flying around this thing. They take up the whole road sometimes going around these curves. We done caught up with some cars. We at the end of it now. So we turn you around here where you can see me, how pretty. The river down there. Here comes that bridge. They made it wider and then put a pedestrian part where you can't stop and take pictures on it, so like we used to. Here it is, Bald River Falls. See, boy, that's pretty, ain't it? More of an oscillation. Of course, the Jeeps. I'm special. I'm gonna park right here in the driveway. I should park right behind them. I probably could. That's what I should have done. Since One last look at the falls. Alright, hey, how you doing? I don't remember. I don't know. He noticed our YouTube stickers and all. Started talking to us about that. Indian Rider, hope y'all have fun up here. Nice meeting y'all. If you ever watch this. GoPro start record. Oh, y'all still is, huh? Well, I don't know what we're gonna do. Hey, that was my two plans. Stop there, that little pull off, and come out here. So, and it's just now 11 o'clock. So we might go do some more tourist stuff and stop and play looky-loos. I get on my side of the road, these cars, see what I mean? Alright. We'll see you down the road. GoPro, stop recording. Whee, said the piggy. I just love these sweeping curves when you just go in and get one lean angle and just ride it out. I only seen one or two of them wave, but that's alright. So many bikes up here, you ain't gotta wave for everybody. It's one of them biker destinations, you don't need to wave at every bike you go. That's like going to Daytona or somewhere, or Surges. Hey, woo! You be riding with one hand the rest of the day. Just look at that view. Pretty, ain't it? Something's on fire with you there. Whew. Met some other people. You like talking about motorcycles, it ain't about what you ride, it's just having fun and meeting people. Don't be stuck up about it. should let him go first. He's coming this way too, and I gotta get on my side of the road. Watch him try to fix my gloves. Good thing wasn't nothing coming. That's how accident happened. I see. Woo, that feels good. We stood up there, I bet you about 85 degrees. 71. Probably 71 in the shade. Alright. GoPro, stop recording. Hey, a spider! We're going slow here because, believe it or not, it's not a Jeep thing. It's a ATV biker or something. I do. Hey, that was our buddies. That was the people we met. They just... the Indian who parked beside. Yeah, okay. We're back over at the Harley store. We're just here Wednesday, but we eat over at the Ironworks this time. Real good food, always is. Can't see. Somebody parked a big old SUV down the corner of the road. Busy, busy, busy. Well, anyway, we're going to head back to what we're going to get some snacks, take it back to the cabin and relax. Yeah, Jerry, did he would come over here and get this tube, but they take you up there to Ironworks and drop you off. You go down here and you can walk and enjoy your tube. I think that guy's pissed. Oh, Lordy. They just float down the river. Mr. G says. Whew, ate a big meal. Now I'm sleepy. Well, I didn't eat a big meal. I eat shrimp and shrimp and some onion rings. But anyway, it's been a long week. Not a ride. But anyway, go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. I know I'm not wearing my gloves, but I'm just going right down here, and that's when all the wrecks happens. Anyway.